Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association kan penlong ya ke Open Paragliding Championship and Asian League Qualification nadu nyo hadu shipho tarik unok pra mentau snam Hamadan Rapleng. Hagani gajing Yakob and one Ïashim Bynta da Palat shispa Ngut kinong Ïashim Bynta na kihnyo tali kiri ke Pyrthei kum na Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, USA, Nepal, South Korea but Afghanistan. Kajing penong ya kate gajing Yakob kalong ru shi Bynta ban pen pra ya record namar hakiwe kiri lau juwan Ïashim Bynta tang kumba san pusan ni henriu phau Ngut kinong Ïashim Bynta. Na gani gajala an Ïashim Bynta tang away ya ubala tip kum ujovial Andre lalu ubana mau prem shalong na lor kiwe pat Kibedang Syah Hikai.
Good afternoon, everyone. The Desmond Ngut, President of the Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association. The Nakaliyang Association, ni mo panpulong niya ka International Paragliding Accuracy Championship kamanlang po Madan Rapleng, the agent like dom, nyo tarik, hadu ispo tarik. Ti hadu menta kita don hadu sis pakam ki participants ki bawan na Kylleng kari India juni pilots nak kunjuru naka bari ti na bari kita don kiri kum ka Korea ti ka hadi mereka Nepal Indonesia la ngimut man register harus kau teli kiri ki bawan na bari but ki local pilots banan po India itu ki man ya yakni ke championship ti hangni bat ni menta idon Vice President Jongka FEI Federation Aeronautic International, Vice President Jongka India, Mr. Colonel Sukhdeep from the Army, ini John, ini Managing Director Jongka Association Jungi.
We had a couple of meetings and we sat with them and we actually explained like, okay, what our intentions based on this and why we're actually doing it at the same time, and we really want to make sure, you know what, that this will be the gateway for not just for tourism but the same for sports, and at the same time we're actually creating employment for the youths, and in this way we can actually divert a lot of people from certain things into these kind of activities, and with the help of the government I feel like, you know what, we are actually going to make it, and there will be something which is much more beautiful that is going to come out from this one. About the pilots from Meghalaya, we do have certified pilots, but they're eventually, like, according to the guidelines that they have, so now the minimum is P2. And right now, most of the pilots that we have over here in Meghalaya, we have P1. So unfortunately, they might not be able to participate. But depending on the situation, probably we'll have to see. If it's possible, then yes, we are certainly.
One from Meghalaya.
Jovial, yes. One.
So,
Jovial,
yeah, we have
Jovial
one.
is confirmed. He's confirmed. One Shillong pilot is definitely confirmed. He's participating. I just have mainly 3 points to speak. I have a vast years now, become grey actually. Put it about 30 years of paragliding. Learned to fly, it's a little bit about myself. Learned to fly in Belgium, France, various other nations, Nepal, and it's been a long journey. Now I have 3 specific things to mention about the championship. This is indeed a great day for development of this sport in Meghalaya. So firstly, the initiative has been taken by Masa, the president, and the state government and the people have been very kind to promote the sport. They're funding us. We've carried out a recce of a lot of sites in Shillong, and the competition is going to be held in Raplam. It's a very beautiful site. We have more than a participation of, like Raju brought out, more than about 107, 110 pilots from various nations. 7-8 nations have confirmed, including Indians, Nepalese, Singaporeans, Indonesians. What is important, which I want to highlight here, this event should in Meghalaya be the front runner for the development of sport. Because an international level sporting event of paragliding has never been conducted, and that was also which is sponsored by or rather approved by the FAI, the Federation Aerosports International. So three things which I basically wanted to say. Let this be not only a major event, let this be the start point for growth of the new generation pilots, because Meghalaya, Shillong, all the adjoining areas of Smith Valley have huge potential for growth. Like today's young pilots, of course, will have a long, beautiful future ahead.
From the state government, then from the tourism department. So we have received, as of now, what we had spoken to the government is they have given us 25 lakhs, but we are in talks with the government to increase the funding so that we can do better for them. Actually, we are doing trainings for the youths also right now, and the training has been sponsored by MSSDS, Skills Development Department. There are 30 students right now training at Madan Rapling, and these youths will prepare themselves in a matter of 2-3 years so that they can also go for competitions. And through this kind of training, they can set up their own livelihoods in the respective areas where they can earn. Since this is a project which we promote not only sports, but it promotes tourism. So by we have done a lot of recce's in different districts of Meghalaya, Jaintia Hills, then West Khasi Hills, then East Khasi Hills and all. We have seen that Meghalaya has a capacity to do a lot of paragliding activities.